Welcome to Reflective Minds. This is your host Monica. Today we will be discussing the tarot card number 12, Hanged Man. The connotations are sacrifice, moving on, suspension, submission, and new perspective. The other name is Traitor. Astrological planet is Neptune, element is water, and meaning is transition. Chakra, third eye for intuition. Key meaning waiting, sacrifice, and enlightenment. Card suggests that with its strange image of a man suspended from a tree seems deadly by name, yet when we examine the man's face, he appears perfectly calm, content, even regardless of his position or situation. He hangs by one leg, yet his expression is beatific, and he has been given a halo. What exactly is going on? The hangman is on the tree rather than hangman's scaffold, and the tree is the tree of life, symbol of the world at the esoteric level. The tree is in the bud and alive with the future possibility. The hangman also appears safely tethered, and it's as if he knows he cannot fall, suspended in the mid-air, and he is content to wait out his fate. And I sometimes feel that this is my position, that I'm a hangman, that I'm like hanging, and I'm really very happy the way I am. The hangman has numerous possible identities. He may be even the Christ himself. We have also a hollow and a kind of cross after all. In the Paris Edwin Pascal, which dates from the 12th century, Christ is shown upside down on a cross, attended to by angels and two men binding his wrist. This may relate one to the card's meaning, which is sacrifice. We had our values on the trial in justice, and now we must hold until death, when we can figuratively let go. Death brings transformation, while the hangman prepares to make the sacrifice death needs so he can move on. This may be sound rather grim, but the death is ongoing change in the transformation, and any big shift requires preparation, and in some cases the waiting time, and the hangman represents that waiting. If this card shows up in the upright position, the obvious meaning of this card at the first glance is hanging around. Events are not moving with a speed, but all you can do is wait patiently in the knowledge that the universe has its own plan. The card can also indicate that you may have made sacrifice just now and are eager to see rewards. Unfortunately, you cannot force an outcome that fits with your timetable. There are many other factors about which you can have no knowledge or influence. Therefore, you may also expect delays to travel plans and projects. On a creative level, this card can appear frequently when a person is feeling frustrated with their progress. However, the message of the hangman is incubation. Your project needs time to evolve. Use this time to develop perspective on your work and your ambition. Another message from the hangman is to try to see things from a new angle. If your approach isn't working, ask yourself if you can think literally or find a way to turn the situation around. If this card shows up in home setting, means waiting and delays may affect remodeling or a house moves. Try to invest your time wisely while you wait. There may be a creative solution. Relationship, you are unable to get the commitment you need from a partner, or you may be one unwilling to commit. Traditionally, it can also show hanging around for a lover to acknowledge you as a partner rather than a friend. If you are waiting too long, you may decide it's not worth the emotional investment. Career and money. Hold back on the signing contracts or dealing with the legal matters just now. With the work, decisions may be going on that will affect your position, but you are protected. If you are looking for work, there may be delays and frustrations. If it shows in a reverse position, that means that can be sign of the rigid thinking and martyrdom. You may need to revise your expectation. What you think you want may not be possible in the position the card asks you. If you are hanging onto a fantasy that may make you a victim rather than a victor, take another view and liberate yourself from the contract or other obligation that control offer you what you want. The wisdom messages: use your time wisely. The symbols used in this card are the tree. This represents the world tree that the Norse, the god Odin, hung from, and the tree of the life, central motif of the Kabbalah, the Judaic mystical belief system. The trees as the Tau cross. Tau is the last letter of the Hebrew alphabet and refers to the shape of the cross, a T shape upon which the Christ was crucified. The figure, according to the AE Ved, the figure's right bent leg suggests part of the shape of the file-fought cross, an early Christian symbol. The hollow, the symbol of the enlightenment and the spiritual signifier around the hangman. The hollow is a symbol of protection, as it was suggested earlier that you are protected even still being in this position. Okay, this was all about the hangman. I hope you like this reading. Hope to see you again in the next one. See ya. Bye bye.